What's up guys, it's Jazzy here. Today we're making a simple and easy Easter themed vase, of course with supplies from Dollar Tree. Look at these cute little eggs, very cute. The flowers are pink, very cutesy. We have this little gnome, so cuddly. And then we have these very colorful eggs. Let's start with decorating our vase with these stickers. Now that we have our stickies on, it's time to add our eggs. These eggs are so colorful, bro. They're so cute. Okay, now let's stick our flowers in. Left-handed problems. Can't. Let's put our gnome to make it seem like it's hiding in between these beautiful flowers. Trying to be sneaky and mysterious. Who you feeling like, sir? Guys, this is so cute. This is so adorable. You could put this on your Easter dinner table. You could just put this, you could put this wherever, honestly. It's so cute. I love it so much. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And remember to always stay tuned to this channel, Jazzy the Great, period.